Hey everybody, this is Peter. In this video segment, we're going to perform some key logging with Saint. So, as many of you know, if you've watched some of our previous videos, of installing Saint and so on, Saint not only is a vulnerability assessment tool or scanner, it also has exploit portion to the tool, so exploit features. So we've done videos on how we've exploited Windows XP and so on and how to use that feature, so we won't rehash that in this video. What we want to do in this video is show you that we've already got a machine that we've exploited, and now we want to actually run some of the things or some of the other tools against the machine. So for example, in here you'll see that we have a target of 192.168.10.131. We have the privilege of the user, and we can launch specific actions against this system. For example, we can open up a command prompt, file manager, so we can copy files off or copy them on, screen capture, we can start and stop the tunnel that we have established, and we can also disconnect. So first thing I want to do here, we've shown that we got a connection. Let's go into exploits, and you'll see that we have a bunch of different exploits. We have local, remote, client-side exploits, and so on. We also have different tools that we can run, and one of them is, for example, disabling the firewall and so on. We want to actually click on keystroke logger. Okay, and you'll see here that this tool records all keystrokes just like keystroke loggers do. And this logger actually only works on Windows clients. So what we're going to do is after we read this, we're actually going to go down and click on the Run Now button. Alright, so when we run that, this tool will run against the actual victim system. And here we can put a refresh interval to run the exploit, or to continue running the exploit. We'll put 10 in there. Alright, so we've run the tool. Alright, we'll see that we've started the exploit server on the client side. We'll go ahead and click on back. And right now we'll actually go ahead and start typing a few things on the client side just to basically show you that the key logging tool is actually working. So we'll go back into exploits and we'll go to our log, our keystroke log. So you'll see here on the bottom we have the exploit servers. You'll see port none exploit keystroke logger. We can obviously stop the keystroke logger anytime we want, or we can just click on log. And now that we've clicked on log, you'll see we've typed in some stuff, obviously, fake things, but our MySpace password, for example, a YouTube password, a corporate domain, whatever it may be, our username, our password, all that stuff. So anything that we've typed in to the keyboard as we've been exploited using the keylogger tool will obviously show up in our log file, and then that information you can take off and basically do what you want. Use your imagination. So that's what we wanted to show you in this video. We're obviously going to make a ton more Saint videos of how to use other tools and so on, disabling the firewall and all kinds of funky stuff. So thanks very much, guys, for coming out. We'll definitely see you on the next one.